of Waste Management. Under Republic Act 9003 pa rin ito. Kaya ito is basic naman sa ating lahat, pero siya po ay magpaparemind po sa atin. Walang iba kundi si Ma'am Jacqueline Dayan Balahadja Tabora. Please take it over, ma'am.
Good morning sa inyong lahat. Ang aking presentation po ay tungkol sa 3 R's of waste management. Alam na po natin to and basic po sa atin to, pero let me remind you lang of a few things that we should always remember. Ano ba ang waste management? Ang waste management, yan, process of collecting, treating, recycling, and disposing of different waste materials. Isa sa mga problema ng Baguio City ang kanilang basura. And every day, ang waste natin galing sa public market ay umaabot ng 17 tons, of which nagko-consist ng 15 tons ng vegetable waste, 1.5 tons of flower waste, and 0.7 tons of fruit waste. Ngayon, ito may mga paraan upang malimit ito, mabawasan, and part ito ng 3 R's of waste management. Ano ba ang agricultural refuse? Ito ay unwanted or unsaleable materials. Yung mga hindi na mabebenta and hindi na gustong bilihin. So, part ito ng mga magagamit natin for waste management. Ang agricultural waste management naman po ay ang paggamit ng organized use of byproducts of agricultural production with sustainable methods that preserve or even enhance the quality of air, water, soil, plant, and animal resources. Ito na tayo. 3 R's of agricultural waste management. Number 1, reduce. Ito yung paraan ng ating pagbabawas ng waste. So, para magawa natin ito, sisimulan natin sa top, titingnan natin kung paano mababawasan yung pagkakaroon ng excess. So, number 1, reduce. Reduce the excessive use of agrochemicals in vegetable production. Reducing waste could involve altering farming practices to limit waste generation. Maraming iba't ibang paraan ng pag-limit ng waste generation. Reuse. Reusing involves finding secondary uses for agricultural wastes that can't be reduced. So, may mga paraan na pwede natin ulitin yung paggamit, katulad yung sa water, yung mga alam naman po natin yan, hindi naman po kayo, mukhang mga expert naman po kayo sa Number 3, recycle. Recycling is changing discarded materials into products in order to avoid using more virgin resources. Dito pumapasok yung mga nagamit natin para sa ibang bagay, tapos gagamitin ulit para sa mas katulad ng mga sako, pwede natin pagtaniman, yung mga water bottles na pwede din natin i-convert into pots. Ganun po. Ang benefits ng 3 R's in agricultural waste management. Number 1, ang pag-reduce ay nakakabawas ng gastos, nakakabawas ng gastos. Saka ng basura, yes. Opo, number 1, basura. Less pollution din po. Yun, nakakabawas ng pollution sa paligid natin. Ang benefits naman po ng ating pag-reuse, yun din, cost savings din po. At yun, kabuti din po siya ng health ng soil natin. Yes po. Ang pag-recycle naman po ay nutrient recycling. Recycling organic waste into compost or mulch returns valuable nutrients to the soil, supporting plant health and reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Nababawasan din po natin ang paggamit ng mga patabang chemical or energy efficiency. Recycling processes like turning green waste into biogas can produce energy that may be used to power urban farming operations or reduce reliance on external energy resources. Environmental impact. Recycling reduces the strain on natural resources by reprocessing materials into new products, thereby lowering the need for virgin resources and reducing overall environment impact. So, yun lang po. Recall lang po natin yung 3 R's of waste management. Number 1 is reduce. Number 2 is reuse. And number 3 is recycle. Ano po ulit yun? Number 1? Number 2? Okay. Sana po matandaan niyo po yun and maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat din, Ma'am Beautiful, Ma'am Jacqueline Dayan Balahadja, Mrs. Tabora. Tama ba ba, Ma'am?